Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Is your Windows PC acting weird, crashing, freezing, or showing strange errors? Then you might have corrupt system files. But do not worry, as today I will show you how to fix them using two built-in tools, which are SFC and DISM. It's quick, easy, and you do not need any third-party software. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what are SFC and DISM? SFC stands for System File Checker. It scans and automatically fixes corrupt or missing system files. And DISM stands for Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool. It repairs the Windows image and system files that SFC relies on. Think of SFC as a fixer and DISM as the repair shop that provides the tools which SFC needs. So let's go ahead and firstly run SFC. So just go ahead and click on your Windows icon and now just type in CMD. Now after that, just right click on your command prompt and select Run as Administrator. And now from here, you would need to paste in this text. You can even go ahead and copy this from my description box below. And now just press on Enter. SFC will now scan your system and this may take 5 to 15 minutes. If it finds any issues, it will try to fix them automatically. And now after the verification is complete, if you see something like Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, then your system is absolutely clean. Now, if SFC does not fix everything or give errors, then go ahead and run DISM to repair the Windows image. Now, in the same command prompt, just type the following commands one by one, pressing enter after each. You can get all these commands from my description box below. So just go ahead and copy that. This command is to check for image health. So if you just press on enter from here, it says now that the component store is repairable and the operation is completed. And so now just go ahead and enter the next prompt. This is to scan the image for issues. So just press on enter. And there it starts the scanning process. Now these processes may take 10 to 30 minutes depending on your system. So just be patient and let it finish completely. And now once that scan is completed, just go ahead and paste in the third prompt and just click on enter. And this final prompt is to repair the image. So now once DISM finishes, just go back and run the SFC code again. Now just press on enter. And this will finally make sure that everything is fixed. So this ensures that all system files are properly restored now that the Windows image is healthy. Now here are some extra tips. First, keep your PC plugged in and do not restart while these scans are running. Second, use these tools regularly if you install or uninstall lots of programs or Windows updates. Third, running as administrator is required for both SFC and DISM to work. So, well, that's it. Now you know how to repair corrupt Windows files using SFC and DISM. If your system was acting up, this should help bring it back to life. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.